Hello friends, my name is Rajesh Babbar. So today I'm going to take up a male chart, and in this chart I will tell you four important master techniques of Bhrigunandi Nadi and what remedies were done to control that situation. This I'll explain you in this video. So first I'll tell you father and the mother both had a severe fight together and how the resolution was done. This I'll explain you. Second, this native is a doctor and he always has a problem in the profession due to outsiders. This I'll explain you in this video. Third, I'll explain you the combination, the master technique of Bhigunandi Nadi. Why? Because of ego. This person always has quarrels with other person, even her lady, even his lady friends and even his male friends also. These are the four important combinations, three important combinations. And fourth, I'll tell you about his elder brother. So let's begin our video. And before I begin my video, I pray to Lord Ganesha and Lord Shanidev help us learn this divine knowledge. Due to my health issues, I could not post videos 2-3 days. So let's begin our video. This is a male chart. So first few important things I'm going to write, that is very important. The degrees. Moon is at 15 degrees, Sun 18 degrees and Ketu 11 degrees. These degrees plays a very important role in Bhrigunandi Nadi. Second combination, whenever you see Mercury is placed in 2-number sign and Mercury is alone. He is not with any other planet. When you say this combination, this means Mercury is a female planet. This is a wonderful technique, the master technique of Bhrigunandi Nadi. This always you have to remember when you analyze a birth chart. So the first combination, which I told you, that both mother and father, they had a severe fight. So why this happened? What are the combinations? Let's jump into the predictive part. Sun is the causative planet of father, Moon is the causative planet of mother, Ketu is a causative planet of problem. So this is a male chart. Because of this combination, both father and the mother had a severe fight. Why this fight happened? This is because of Mercury, because of a lady friend of father. Why father I took into consideration? We will take degrees. The role of degrees here is very important. First in the birth chart is Ketu. He has already crossed Sun, Moon and is about to enter the other sign because Ketu travels anti-clockwise. He is at 11 degrees approximately here. Next comes from here when you will enter. Next comes Moon at 15 degrees. And in the last comes Sun at 18 degrees. Here also you will see the same scenario. Ketu, then Moon, then Sun. Because Sun is in the higher degrees, so Sun is following Mercury, our lady friend. Even in the previous house, you can see there is exalted Venus. So Sun is surrounded by two female planets. So due to this lady friend, both husband and wife, means the father and mother of the native, they fought together. They were separated for quite some time due to this lady friend, because Sun was following Mercury. The reason I told you. Now, what remedies were done? What remedies were done in this birth chart, and this helped both husband and wife. They gave wisdom to both husband and wife, and ultimately they reconciled and started staying together. So in this birth chart, you will see Jupiter is retro. Here also you will see Jupiter is retro. So instead of moving forward to Sagittarius sign, he will cast his backward aspect in Libra sign. From there, he is going to aspect this Sun, Moon and Ketu combination. Here also you can see when it comes in Libra, it will directly cast his aspect on Sun, Moon and Ketu sign. So remedies were done for Lord Jupiter for 27 weeks regularly, and finally Jupiter casting his backward aspect on Libra and casting his aspect on this combination gave wisdom to both sun and moon, and the problem was resolved. Ultimately they reconciled. So this is how you see a birth chart. You have to analyze the combinations of Bhrigunandi Nadi. Secondly, Saturn, the malefic planet here, is also aspecting this combination. This also gave some troubles between husband and wife, means father and mother. This is the combination in the birth chart. Second, I told you that this male native is a doctor. But even though he is in a respectable position, he works in a government department, but still he faces a lot of problems in his professional life due to outsiders. So how this happens? What are these combinations? This is because of debilitated Mars. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mars, you will see here Mars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is casting his eighth aspect on profession or karma planet Saturn. So whenever Mars puts his eighth aspect on Saturn, Mars is a planet which denotes problems, but problems from outsiders. Saturn is also a problematic planet, but that is a different scenario. Mars is a planet of outsiders, your subordinates or your colleagues, third person. So every time he has problems due to third persons in his professional life, this is because of aspect of Mars on Saturn, and here Mars is really very malefic planet because he is debilitated. Third combination I'll explain you about the brother of the native. In the male chart, the elder brother is Saturn. In the birth chart, the elder brother is Saturn. Saturn is combined with Rahu. So this also indicates that elder brother can work with foreigners or he can be in abroad. You can see this combination here. Elder brother is connected with Rahu in the same direction, and also when Jupiter comes in Libra, this makes a combination of Saturn, Rahu and Jupiter. Here also you can see Jupiter when comes in Libra, Saturn is all in west direction, Rahu in west direction. So this prediction also you can make here. Now the last which I told you, the master technique of Bhrigunandi Nadi, due to his egoism, this person, this native, always quarrels with his lady friends, also his male friends. So what is this combination? This is the master technique of Bhrigunandi Nadi. You will see Mars and Mercury, they both are in 311 axis. So when you see direction wise, this is north, this is south. So when you place direction, this is very important. I am going to just draw a small directional chart. This is the actual chart of Bhrigunandi Nadi. Here we write north, here we write this study will start from east, west, north and south. In north direction Mars, you will see here, I'll write Mars. In south there is Mercury. So according to direction wise, they aspect each other because they are in 311 axis. They aspect each other. So Mars is a planet of egoism because Mars is power in the natal birth chart. This Mars will give ego, and when Mercury and Mars are opposite to each other, due to the ego, he fights with his lady friends, he fights with his male friends also. This is a very severe combination in a birth chart when Mars and Mercury are opposite to each other. So all the combinations I have explained you very simply and precisely, and there is a Rashi Parivartana or Rashi exchange between Moon and Mars. This also plays a very important role because when Rashi Parivartana take place, we assume that Mars is placed in Aries, Moon is placed in Cancer. So due to Mars effect, this gives ego. So both mother and father become very egoistic, especially father, because Mars is a fiery planet, Sun is also a fiery planet. So it adds heat to the Sun, means to the father. Hence, he becomes a very egoistic type of person, very dominating type of person. So these are like simple techniques how to use Bhrigu Nandi Nadi combinations. And in the coming videos, as I told in my last video, I'll tell you something important about planet Mars. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.